This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Linda Kakmarski. This cozy condo has an open floor plan. The dining area is bright and comfortable. The kitchen has plenty of cabinets and storage area. The master suite is very spacious with a walk-in closet and a very nice tiled bathroom with a big vanity. The second bedroom/office also has a walk-in closet and full bathroom. The bright screened-in patio is right off the living room. This unit comes with a storage unit and 2 parking spaces. The building is located across the street from Publix, Miller's Ale House, and shopping. Perfect location to Intercoastal and Palm Beach University. Great investment opportunity, no rental restrictions. For more information, review the details below.